Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the video. In this video, I wanted to share a mind map or how you can become a DynamoDB expert. Here are essentially a list of all the resources and all the topics that you can read. Like me, if you are a DynamoDB lover, you would surely appreciate this. So let's get straight into action. So here is a mind map that I made, and again, I'll leave the link so you guys can also view it. So again, you guys can view it. I'll leave a public link as well. So you can start here, become a DynamoDB expert, right? So now these are all the topics that you can learn, and also their resources are available here. For example, here you can learn about DynamoDB import export. Here are the videos, and if you click here, there's a link to the videos as well. Then here is data types in DynamoDB. This is where you can read more. Then you can read about keys, partition, sort key, composite key, consistency, strong consistency, eventual consistency. Of course, I'll be adding more and more. Then you have index, global secondary index, local secondary index. On global secondary index, you can watch these three videos. You can read this article. Local secondary index, I can recommend you this article, which is pretty good. All you gotta do is just click and it would pop up a link. And there's a video that I made on LSI, the concept, right? So now if you go towards the left hand side of the mind map, here you have scaling. There are two options, on demand and provision mode. You can read about DynamoDB transaction, how you can implement that in DynamoDB. There's a video to that with code. Then if you come up, there's a concept for DynamoDB streams, which will funnel into 4 sections. Again, again, you can use streams to archive data, right? So all the deleted or prune items by TTL, they can land up in a Kinesis data stream, and from there you can bring it to data lake. Then I have popular data lake S3 real time with DynamoDB streams, architecture code, everything step by step. Then here you can see powering downstream user fan out architecture from DynamoDB streams, right? So then I have DynamoDB stream design pattern by Gauri Balasubramaniam. That's an amazing, fantastic article that I have read. So if you're looking for crash course, this is a 2 hour and 36-minute video. These are all the slides for that. If you're looking for global, so here is DynamoDB global table. You can build a full-blown active multi-region backend with DynamoDB global tables, complete hands-on guides. Then I have the theory part of a global video. I have the demo part of the global videos. And then if you scroll up, then I have a lot on single table design. Here you can see, you can read difference between a single table and a multi-table design. This is an article and blog by Mr. Alex Debris, data modeling, read more. So, these are all the methods in which you could model, right? For example, denormalization using complex attribute by duplicating data. Of course, click on the one, and then that would take you to the appropriate link. If you're looking for data modeling exercise, these are the 4 exercises that I have done. You can watch that, right? So what this will do is basically, and here I have DynamoDB versions, time-based version, number-based version, etc. So basically this is an entire mind map which will help you to navigate to appropriate topic and then read and watch the resources for that topic. I hope this will benefit everybody, and I'll be adding more and more into it. Again, I have spent so much time reading about DynamoDB, teaching people, experimenting during my free time, right? I have made a lot of articles, projects, so for example, again, I have all these PPTs that I have made. These are my own personal PPT. All of that is there in the description, right? So I'll be adding more and more resources, all the blogs, all the article, all the best practices, everything would be there in this mind map. Please share the video to the people whom you think this will benefit, because this literally would have everything about DynamoDB. So if anyone is looking for any topic in Dynamo, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find this in this mind map. All right, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys will go to the URL and see the mind map. And again, I'll add more items and more resources shortly. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.